Hey, Garrett Brill and Don Casey running another test out here. This is on the Autel Evo2 Enterprise Dual. Anyway, it takes a while to get all that out. We're going to do the flight time test tonight. Now, what are they advertising? 40 minutes or what are they?
42.
About 42 minutes, but we're going to put that to the test and see what we really get on this. Just quick thing, the flight conditions. We're here in North Texas, about 500 feet. MSL, it's 55 degrees, 7 mile an hour winds, gusting to 13. It feels like nothing to our skin, but it's that's what they're saying. And the humidity is 72%. So that gives you an idea of the weather conditions. This is, of course, the smart controller, and just showing you that we are at 100% battery. So as soon as Don, go ahead and take over there. As soon as Don takes off, I will start the timer, and then whenever we come in for a landing, when it touches the ground, I will stop. So start. All right. And we are letting it hover at 30 feet, and we're just going to let it sit there and hover. All right, and we'll be back whenever it lands. All right, so we're getting close. We're almost there. We're about at 11% on the Autel Evo2 Enterprise Dual, and right now, as you can see, we're at 32 minutes and 36 seconds. If you recall, you may recall that the oh, there it goes, and stop. Okay, so 32 minutes and 48 seconds, almost 33 minutes. I don't know if you recall, but whenever we tested the Autel Evo 2 Dual, we were at about 28 minutes. So, you know, their advertised time was, 42 minutes. So this is 10 minutes shy of their advertised, which is, you know, that's kind of tends to be typical with some of these manufacturers like that. So anyway, that gives you an idea. The other thing it's important to note on this is that the Evo 2 Enterprise uses the same batteries as the Evo 2, which means that the efficiency, the 5 minute, almost 5 minute efficiency there is gained via motor and rotor, the rotor blades and the motors, and probably ESCs just being more efficient overall. So anyway, there you have it. There's the official numbers, and hopefully that helps. We'll talk to you later.